Welcome to the 7th and last class of our course on the introduction of data visualization. And the idea is to explore and to visualize spatial data. Right? So this data has to have some spatial information, for example, geospatial information or any specific geographical or categorical information related with one place, one geographical place. And the way that you interpret it depends on the type of data that you have, but you can use colors, you can use shading, you can use different ways of representing the categories and the information that you want to visualize. Here I'm showing you the choropleth map for the population estimate over the different countries in the world. Here we have a continuous scale. And as we can see, we only have over 1 billion people in Asia, in India and China, as we know. Then we have a very large population in the United States. This is Alaska, part of the United States. Here we have in Brazil a larger population than all its neighbor countries. I guess this is Russia, right? And here at the bottom, we have the same map, the same choropleth map, but now with a discretized scale. Note that I can better differentiate the population ranges of these countries in the discretized scale than in the continuous scale. This is a reason why it's important for us to test some different types of graphs and parameterizations of these graphs so that we can observe which one is more appropriate for what we want to observe or what we want to extract from the data that we have. Now we have the choropleth map. In this case, we can analyze this map over time. So as you can see, we have a slider here. We can move this slider from 1998 to 2018. And when we move that, we can see, for example, that the population here in Australia increased significantly. It became darker, right? And this happened with most countries. Population in the United States increased, the population in Canada increased, population in Brazil increased. So this is a version of the choropleth map that allows you to vary the time. And when you vary the time here, it takes different data from the data set that you have. And we have the bubble map that allows us to explore and visualize the spatial data, but now represented by bubbles or circles of varying sizes. And they are all plotted in an area map. Well, let's have a look at it. As we can see, we use different colors for the different continents. Here we have North America, then we have South America, we have Africa, we have Europe, and we have Asia, and we have Oceania. For each one of them, the size of the bubble corresponds to the GDP by country. If we move the cursor over each bubble, we can see an information. This is called the tooltip. The tooltip is this box that pops out and brings you some metadata, some data about this data point. In this case, it's telling you that this is the United States, in the continent North America. Its GDP is 45,700, and the country name is repeated here as it is here. Thank you for watching this introductory course on data visualization. Do not forget to subscribe and look at the other courses and series available in the channel.